washing machine?
Yes.
So how it's operate?
So bring some clothes.
Okay, I will bring some clothes. Here are my clothes.
Oh dear.
Okay, I have put it here.
Now,
So how it's doing?
now you want to open this.
Okay.
You will put your clothes
Okay.
in this.
Okay. Okay.
And then close it.
Okay.
And put some liquid soap.
Okay. Liquid soap. Okay. Okay. Put. Okay. Okay. And now
Now you want to?
start it.
Yes.
Okay, we'll start it. And oh, it start rolling. Oh wow, it's rolling. Oh wow, it's rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Now my clothes are washing inside this. Wow, great. Wow, wow.
Now the clothes is ready.
Okay, it's ready. Okay, we need to take it out now. Okay, so we need to take it out.
Yes.
Here are your clothes. Hey, wow, it's very nice. Hey,
Yes.
John, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have bought me a very nice gift. I like this. Thank you, John. This is very, very nice and very helpful, John.
Yes.
Hey, hey, I'm very happy.